In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a poster design in Photoshop. First, let me show you the document settings I'm using for this tutorial. Now drag and drop the subject image onto the canvas. Resize the subject image and place it as shown. Next, long press the Type tool button and select the vertical type tool. Type the main text. This is the font I'm using for the main text. Resize the text and adjust the spacing between the letters. Then select the Move tool and place the text like this. Next, select the subject layer and press Ctrl and J to create a duplicate of the subject layer. Place the duplicate subject layer above the text layer. Then right-click the duplicate subject layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Now double-click the text layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Stroke. Then set the stroke settings exactly as shown in the video. Once done, click OK. Select the original subject layer again. Choose the rectangular marquee tool. Then drag and create a selection exactly as shown. After that, hold Alt and click the Layer Mask button to remove the unwanted part of the subject image inside the selection. Next, select the top layer in the Layers panel. Then press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E together to create a merged copy of all visible layers. Right-click the merged layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Set the Camera Raw filter settings exactly as shown in the video. Set exposure to -0.20, contrast to 31, shadows -63, whites 38, blacks -17, and dehaze 15. Then click OK. Next, select the horizontal type tool and type the next text. This is the font I'm using for this text. Set the other text settings exactly as shown. Then select the Move tool. Rotate the text and place it like this. Now select the horizontal type tool again, and click and drag to create a text box. When adding the text, you can use your own text if you'd like. This is the font and font style I'm using for this text. Resize the text and adjust the spacing between the text lines. Then select all the text, right-click, and copy it. Press Ctrl and V to paste the text. Copy-paste as many times as needed to fill the text box. Adjust the text as needed and place it as shown. Next, drag and drop the social media logo's image onto the canvas. Resize and position the logos as shown. Select the Type tool again, and add a small text line like this. Now rename Layer 1, which is the merged layer, so rename it to Merged Layer, so it's easier to identify and avoid confusion. Now, make sure the merged layer is selected, then click the New Layer button to create a new layer. Make sure the new layer is placed above the merged layer. Next, select the Brush tool. Open the Brush menu and choose the Soft Round Brush. Set the brush opacity to around 10%. Use the bracket keys to adjust the brush size. Set the foreground color to black, and make sure the new layer is selected. Now, carefully brush as shown to darken the area behind the text slightly. This makes the text stand out and easier to read. Adjust the brush opacity as needed while darkening the area behind the text. Now select the Type tool again, and type any short text you want. This is the font and font style I'm using for this text. Adjust the spacing between the letters like this. Then change the text color to black. Finally, select the Move tool. Rotate the text and place it as shown. That's it! You've successfully created a poster design in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.